Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another Baddie on a Budget rainbow try-on haul.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
Let me issue this disclaimer before I get started. I know the economy we're living in. I know that people are having a hard time right now. So this is in no way an encouragement to go shopping. So if you feel tempted, it's not my fault, okay? I just wanted to issue that disclaimer. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We need the videos to stay in the algorithm, and make sure you share, all right? Okay, now let's get into it. Y'all, I went into rainbow because, you know, spring is just about gone. And we are already in June. I think June 21st, we are officially in the summertime, and honey, summer is calling. So I found some really cute pieces when I went into my local rainbow store, and I just wanted to share them with you. I just want to show you what I picked up. I thought were so cute, just right for the summertime. They had all the sets, y'all. As you can see, I'm wearing one. So let's just get into the haul. But before I get into this set, let me show you an accessory that I picked up. Y'all, look at this purse. I just thought it was so cute. This little gold hardware right here. I love the way the strap is made. You actually can adjust the strap. All you have to do is move this down, and you can adjust it however short you want, however long you want. She is super cute, and she pairs really well with this denim set that I have on. And y'all, she was only $17.99. Super cute. And that's actually the only accessory that I picked up. So now let's get into the haul. And I put on these heels because, honey, these pants were long. This two-piece denim set, it's actually that chambray style denim. You know, chambray is that denim-like material. The pants have a lot of stretch. It has this elastic waist in the back. I absolutely love. This is the back. And honey, I love the way they fit. I'm wearing a size extra large. It has a functioning button and zipper, and then the pockets. Now this top, as you can see right here, these buttons are kind of screaming, but it's okay. I will still wear it like this. And the good thing about a two-piece set, you can interchange. So I don't have to wear this top with these bottoms if I don't want. She is just a super cute, casual look that you could dress up or down, and that's what I love. All right, next up is another set. These sets are cute. I really like them. I told y'all they had some really cute sets in there. Now, what I forgot to tell you is at Rainbow, all of these sets are sold separately. They're matching sets, but you have to buy each piece, the top and the bottom, individually. I just wanted to let you know. But get into this set. This set is super cute. Now, because it's a button-up shirt, of course, it doesn't come like this, but you can wear it either way. If you choose to, you can wear it like this. I don't like that look. I need it to be jazzed up just a little bit, you know? I opted to just kind of tie my shirt up. And I like it like that. This is the back. And let me tell you something. These pants are long, but it's not tall girl friendly. I'm only 5'3", and I actually had these on with the heels at first, but honey, it was given that my pants were flooding a little bit, but not cute. I like for my pants that are kind of wide leg or long to fall over the shoe. I don't like it to be kind of like right there hitting. Whenever I wear this, I will wear them with flats, and I may have to do my pants hack. And if you don't know what my pants hack is, you have to check my shorts or follow me on TikTok, and the video is there. And another one. Yes, another set. Y'all, this set is super cute. Y'all know polka dots is trending now. No, it's really crazy how trends just it just make a complete circle. It just go around and it comes back around and around. Polka dots used to be in back in the day when I was younger. And now look, they're back. I'm wearing an extra large in both top and bottom. I did pay attention to the tag. I still have tags attached. The bottom, they were $19.97 and the top was $10.97. That ain't bad. Like $31, $32, you know, after tax and all that. I'm not mad at it. I'm okay with it. It is so cute, so cute. This top, you know, tube style, has slits on each side, and y'all, it has great stretch. The pants, elastic, and as you can see, they're not tall girl friendly. I'm only 5'3", and you see where they hitting on me, but it's okay because I'll wear them with flats. This is the back. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has elastic around here. It's a little loose around here for me, but it's okay. I'm all right with it. I know. I just put these two pieces together because I got the pants and I got the shirt, and I didn't feel like pairing them with other things, and since both of them came from Rainbow, I just decided to put them on together. Let me just say something about light colored pants for my girls that have a little cellulite, such as myself. Light colored pants, honey, they're not our friend. Hey, at least not our friend if we don't have a body shaper on underneath. It shows every dent, just everything. So I definitely will wear a body shaper with this to smooth everything out so you don't see that. So now about the pants, it has an elastic waist back here. This is not a functioning button. This button is just here for decorations, nothing else. They are not tall girl friendly, as you can see. These are more like business casual style pants, so I need some. I don't want to wear them with these kind of shoes. I mean, I could, but I don't want to, so I gotta find some really cute flats. But anyway, on to the top. It's just a simple basic. It's a cute basic to have in your closet. I love that it's this butter yellow color. You know, butter yellow been on trend, and it has the slits on each side. This top comes in several colors. I have it in this butter yellow. I have it in black. If you follow me, you've seen the black one. And I also have it in white. I just needed to have a variety. I mean, you know, when you have something you like and it comes in several colors, you get it in every color. It's your prerogative. Baddie on a budget. These pants, $14.97. This top, $7.97. That's why I went ahead and got it in 3 colors. And I just love it. I love the way it's made, and it's super cute when you put it with the right bottoms. Super cute. Oh, and this top is an extra large, and my bottoms are an extra large. And they do have great stretch. Great stretch. I love the way they fit. And they also have pockets. Cute. All right, y'all, we have come to the last look, the last piece of the day. This super cute baby doll dress. Now, y'all, I have to be honest about this dress because it's just cute. The sleeves is what really attracted me to this. It also came in black. Oh, she's a size extra large, and she was $19.97. But y'all, I was like, man, she's a little short. I don't like my legs, y'all. Let me just be honest. I don't really like the way my legs look. Definitely don't like the way my thighs look. I got my legs from my mama. Nothing smooth about them. However, I was like, I'm just gonna wear the dress. I'm just gonna get it and I'm gonna wear it. Now, I can't wear it without wearing something underneath. Right now, I have these biker shorts. Even though it's not gonna cover what I don't like to see, I'm still wearing something underneath. This is the way she looks. This is the back. And I just absolutely love her. Oh, look, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all she has pockets. And that will conclude this Baddie on a Budget Rainbow Try-On haul. Don't forget to like the video. Leave me a comment. You know what? Let's leave some, since my nails are pink, let's leave some pink hearts in the comments. And so I know that you got to this portion of the video. And girl, if you did, I want to thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Again, I'm not encouraging you to shop. I know this economy we living in is trash and it's hard. Gas is high and everything is high. Groceries, gas, just everything. And that's why I say Baddie on a budget. I shop within my means. With all that being said, thank you for tuning in today. I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.